One more hour of live. If you have human design questions, type it in the chat. If you have emotional mental health questions, type them in the chat. Nothing is off topic, nothing is taboo. Everyone is welcome here. If you're a male, female, if you're an elephant, I don't give a flying fuck. If you can type, type. For now, says thank you everybody. I keep coming on here, just keep coming on here. Annette says thank you Annette. I'm a solo child, I do things solo. I'm also a solo child. Peachy. I always wanted a little brother or a little sister. Never did. Dan says my not self team is bitterness and signature is success. So I'm also a projector like you, Dan. My signature is success, meaning that when people after I do a session, one-on-one session with people, and they send me an email saying, I create lines, after our human design session, my life has been totally different. Thank you for your guidance. It was really helpful. That is success for a projector. When you guys say to me on my live, like, I create lines, your advice has helped me with my marriage. That's success for a projector. When somebody comes and says, I have overcome my addiction to coffee, that's success for me. When somebody comes and says, I have been working out, I have more self-discipline, thank you for your guidance, it helped me become more self-disciplined, that's success for me. So every time that I can guide a person towards something better, that's, for me as a projector, that's success. On the other hand, bitterness is if I try to help somebody and they give me resistance. And that's usually when I'm not invited. That's usually when I give unsolicited advice. When I talk and nobody asked me anything, so nobody, like, who the fuck asked you? And then you become bitter. Or you try to help somebody, but then you become bitter because it's not getting through. You can't give somebody something, then you become bitter. Or you try to attract attention, you talk and talk and talk. Guys, hear me out, but I have this great idea. But nobody asked you, and then you become bitter. So bitterness, resentment, anger, because you're not being recognized, you're not being heard. So that's the opposite of success. For me, success is you guys telling me that I'm helpful with the things that I talk about. It's when you send me emails, when you tell me your live was amazing, I'm gonna come again, can we have a one-on-one session? Or we did have a one-on-one session and you guys tell me, like, you've been so helpful, I've released so many emotions. That's success for me. That's success for any projector. And projectors, we are here in human design, we are here to guide people.